In this video, you're going to learn how to add and customize forms for your website so when your clients log in, they can fill these forms out right there online. So when you log into your console, you're going to click on Website and then click Forms. And this is where you'll see all the forms that are uploaded in your system already. We're going to create a new form by clicking on Add New Form button in the upper right-hand corner. And this is going to show you the Create Form wizard. It gives you step-by-step instructions. The first step is to give your form a name. We're going to call this a midpoint evaluation. And then in the custom content editor box, this is the description of your form. So we're going to say, please fill this out after 3 months. You can format this using the content editor icons. And when you're done, you can either click save and it will save it up to this point, or you can click next and it's going to take you to the next tab, which is your questions. In the form questions tab, this is where you're going to add all of your questions for your form. We're going to go ahead and click the orange add question button. In this content editor box, this is where you're going to type in your question. So let's say, what is the most thing you have received from coaching? You can, once again, you can format this using any of these icons. And then you have different answer types at the bottom. You can use a text answer type, and this is going to give your client a box so they can fill out whatever text they want to fill out. You can use the list option. This is going to let you enter in a list of answers that they can choose from. They can choose as many as they want, or they have the radio option. This one is if you have a multiple choice style question, you only want them to choose one answer. So we're going to give them the test option today. We're going to save this question because we're finished. And now you'll see that your question has appeared. This display box should automatically be checked. If you do not want this question to display, then you can always come back later and just uncheck this box, and this question will no longer display on this form. You have the option to edit this question, or you can even delete it. You can add as many questions as you want. So let's let this one say, please rate your coaching so far. And again, you can choose your answer type, and then when you're finished, click Save Question. And now you'll see that both of those questions are listed there. They're both checked to display. You can edit and delete both of them. And these buttons right here are going to let you change the order of the questions. When you're finished, again, you have the option to click Save, or you click the Next for the form permissions. Form permissions is who has access to fill out this form online. You can choose different groups. What if you have a certain group that you want this form to be available to? Or if you have a certain client or a few clients that you want this to be available to, or you can send it to all active clients. Whichever you choose, you simply pick your clients, and when you're finished, you click the orange Save button. When you come back to the Forms page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see that form we just created. You're going to want to make sure that you click the box to make it active on your website. This way, when your client logs into your system, they have the ability to see that form and fill it out.